This is Sabrina, and I thought I'd give you an update on my ROO that had the head injury. But first, I wanted to show you my quail. I need to feed them this morning and make sure that they have all their water for some part of the day. So here they are. Here are the girls up at the top. I got well, can't see it, but I got one egg down here. I got one egg. There's probably more in the pink tub. So usually what I do is check their J feeder, see if they have enough food in there. Ooh, it's a little wobbly. Okay, so I'll probably end the day. Hey there, girls. Of course, I'm not tall enough to see in here. And see, there's like there's 3 eggs in the tub. Sometimes I have to push down the feed in the feeder because it's so fine that it gets compacted in there. So I just have a cup that I get my feed out of. Put my feed in. So hold on while I get this feed. So I just put the feed here in the feeder. The girls get a different feed. It's like a Homestead Harvest is the name of it. I get it off Amazon. It has all these little tiny seeds in it and stuff. It's really good. The girls seem to love it. Now the boys, I just give them turkey starter. The Purina brand. And that's about it. I'll go back later and fill up their waters. The boys down there, they usually start acting up when I come out here. There'll be one that'll give this call sign. It's different from their ROO call. But it's like, then they go around running all around and stuff. Okay, so now to the my ROO. Please excuse the mess in this place I call a garage. Okay. So I have the ROO over here in my brooder. You know, I'm just going to take this off and bring it over to him. But he's doing much better. He was walking backward, which I went online and they said that's characteristic of a brain injury. So he's over here chilling. As you can see, there's still just like a helmet on his head there. I'm trying to, you know, take off as much as I can as far as the dried up blood. But he is starting to eat more and drink. See, you see he went backwards there. It's not as bad because before he was just going backwards and he wasn't even going forwards. So there you go. See, he's still got a couple, you know, he's still got issues. But he is eating. I gave him water that had vitamins in it. The Durham vitamins. I get those off of Amazon as well. But yesterday he was over here in the corner and I had the lid up and that joker jumped right out and flew out pretty much. So I know he's doing better because he knows how to fly. So, but just wanted to give you an update. I hope everybody has a nice day. It's going to be 60 degrees, mid-60s here in Virginia. Talk with you later. Bye.